What if I told you that the clothes you wear, the fuel in cars, the medicines you take, and even the food you eat all have something in common? Carbon. Welcome to the fascinating world of organic chemistry. Imagine carbon as the ultimate Lego builder. It can connect to other carbon atoms, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and many other elements to create millions of different compounds. That's why organic chemistry is so massive. A tiny change in the arrangement of atoms can completely change a substance's properties. For example, ethanol is an alcohol found in some chemical products, while ethanoic acid is the acid responsible for the characteristic sourness of vinegar. Same world of carbon chemistry, but very different compounds. So what makes carbon so special? Carbon has 4 valence electrons, meaning it can form 4 strong covalent bonds. It can build straight chains, branched chains, and even rings. These structures form the foundation of compounds such as alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alcohols, carboxylic acids, and esters. And here's where things get exciting. Organic reactions can transform one molecule into another. An alkene can undergo addition. An alcohol can be oxidized. A carboxylic acid can react with an alcohol to form an ester. It's almost like molecular Lego. Break some connections, make new ones, and create something completely different. But here's the amazing part. Scientists have identified millions of organic compounds, and new ones are still being studied. Organic chemistry isn't just about memorizing formulas. It's about understanding how atoms connect, how molecules behave, and how those tiny changes can create completely different substances. If you want organic chemistry explained in a simple, entertaining way, with reactions, structures, exam tips, and science you can actually understand, you're in the right place. This is Knowledge Hub with John Loryu. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us as we make chemistry easier, one reaction at a time.